Hello sir and madam, my name is Evan Whitney. I'm 24 years old from Preven province in Cambodia. I have height 1.62 meter and weight 51 kilogram. Currently, I'm studying livestock agropreneurship at the Cambodia Agropreneur Business Academy. My education combines both theoretical knowledge and practical training in modern agriculture and livestock management. My study covers animal nutrition, livestock feeding system, dairy and pig farm management, poultry production, animal health and biosecurity, greenhouse cultivation, smart farming technology, leadership, teamwork, agricultural business management, and farm operation. Through this academic and field-based experience, I continue to strengthen my technical expertise, work discipline, and professional competency in the agricultural sector. I have English proficiency level as IL 4.0 with 4.0 which enable me to communicate effectively in the basic workplace environment. I am continuously improving my English skill because I recognize the importance to communication, international collaboration, and professional environment in a global agricultural industry. I have participated international internship program in Israel, where I gain valuable exposure to advanced agricultural practice and modern farming technology. During the program, I acquired hands-on experience in crop production, irrigation management, daily farm operation, teamwork, workplace discipline, and adapting to professional international working environment. This international experience helped me become more responsible, self-reliant, diligent, and confident. I come from Cambodia, a country with tremendous agricultural potential, and I am passionate about contributing to modernization in our agricultural sector. I am willing and prepare work in various agricultural sectors, including dairy farm, pig farm, poultry farm, vegetable farm, greenhouse operation, and other farming enterprise. My objective is to gain further international experience, enhance my technical and practical capability, and bring valuable knowledge and skill back to Cambodia. Thank you for your time and consideration.